What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. I consume an inordinate amount of ADV related, motorcycling related YouTube content. I'm sure like a lot of you guys do. Specifically, I watch a lot of Adam Riemann's channel. If you're not familiar with it, I suggest you definitely check it out. I watched one of his videos that was released a little while ago, but it piqued my interest, and it's this little guy right here. And it talks about off-road instincts and how having a dirt bike greatly increases your learning curve. The goal with today's video is going to be tracking myself on the dirt bike and tracking myself on the 1290 and seeing the difference in times and seeing if riding the dirt bike out here has improved my skills on the big adventure bike. That's the goal. That's where we're going to start. Let's see how it goes.
You fucking with me?
No. You should actually limber up as well.
So we're back home. We ran that trail on the KX250. We ran that trail on the 1290. I'm not going to show the 1290 footage just for the sake of time for the video, but I do have data from my most recent run of that trail on the 1290 and the one that you just watched on the KX250. Last time I ran that trail on the 1290, my best time was 51 minutes and some change. So I think it'll be interesting to compare these two runs, the KX and the 1290, compared to the 51 minutes it took me previously on the 1290. We'll start with the KX. The elapsed time was 28 minutes and 5 seconds. My average speed was 17.3. max speed of 33 miles an hour, and my pace was just shy of 3 minutes 30 seconds per mile. So now we'll take a look at the 1290 data and compare it to the KX data, and compare it to my fastest previous run of 51 minutes. We'll take a look at it right now. So it looks like 38 minutes, 31 seconds. That is a big jump forward from my previous best time. So that's that's a step in the right direction. That's awesome. It's still there's a 10-minute gap still between the 250 and the 1290. I think that just has a lot to do with my skill level still, obviously. But when you're riding that big bike, it feels like you're going a lot faster than you actually are. But taking a look at the data side by side, the average speed is substantially slower on the 1290. The max speed is like 11 miles an hour slower, which kind of surprises me because I feel like in open straight lines, I really try to open up the 1290, but obviously I'm not doing it anywhere near as much as I'm doing it on the KX. And the pace, 4 minutes 45 seconds per mile, again substantially like a minute and 15 seconds slower than the KX. So there's still quite a lot of room between the two. I'm a lot faster on the small bike compared to the big bike, but I think it 100% shows that riding the small dirt bike is improving my skills on the big adventure bike. And I don't think there's any argument at all. My previous best being 51 minutes, and my current best being 38 minutes 31 seconds. I think that shows obviously that riding that small bike has increased my skills or my confidence, whatever it is, greatly. And it's probably the best investment that I've made in my riding in general. I think anybody that wants to improve their skills on a big adventure bike off-road, Adam Riemann is 100% right. Get yourself a dirt bike, beat the hell out of it, and it's going to make you better on the big bike. Thank you guys for stopping by, taking a look at the video. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate your time, and we will see you in the next video.